I miss having this.
I miss having this lovely curry to eat with rice noodles. Sawadee-ka! Welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today let's see how to make Thai red curry chicken together. It's easy, simple, you can count on me and make it successfully at home. Alright, let's get started. Start off with the ingredients. We're gonna use chicken, any part you like. I'm using thighs and drumsticks. Chicken breast can be quite dry for this menu, but if you like it, it's your choice. For herbs and vegetables, we'll use Thai eggplants. You can also check the description for more vegetable choices. Kaffir Lime Leaves. Thai Basils. This is what Thai Basils look like. Don't mix up with holy basils. They have different fragrance. And red chilies or pepper for garnishing. Red curry paste. The main flavors are from here. Coconut milk, water. We're gonna season with palm sugar and fish sauce. One thing about Thai eggplants when you cut them is they'll turn darker color pretty quick. So the way to avoid that is to soak them in water immediately after cutting. Red chilies, not for spicing it up because the spice will be from the red curry paste already. We're gonna slice them for garnishing, so you can also use pepper, whatever you're comfortable with. We're gonna cut chicken into a little bigger than the bite size because they will shrink a little bit in the curry, then we'll get the perfect bite size. I think it's time to sharpen my knife. Coconut milk, 800 ml. We're going to make them into thick and thin coconut milk. These two cans are the same, just different brand because I bought them from different place, okay? The way to make thin coconut milk is pouring 350 ml coconut milk and dilute with 350 ml of water. Stir a bit. And then now we have thick and thin coconut milk. Alright, let's move to the stove. On medium heat right now. Pour a little bit of the thick coconut milk first. Let it warm up. Then 4 or 5 tablespoons red chili paste, depends on how intense taste you want. Use the spatula to help break up the paste. Stir and mix until they are combined. Then gradually add the rest of the thick coconut milk and keep combining them. Add the chicken. Make sure the chicken is all covered by the curry. Stir, flip time to time until they're cooked. It's gonna take quite some time, but let them take time. Wait until the chicken is cooked and the curry is boiling. Then we're gonna add the thin coconut milk that we prepared earlier. If you like it a little bit thicker, you can add a little less of the thin coconut milk. I'm eating with rice noodles or khanom jin, so it's gonna be a little watery. then season with a couple tablespoons of palm sugar before adding. Cut into small pieces like this will help it dissolve easier. And then 3 tablespoons fish sauce. Like I mentioned, the main flavors are from the red curry paste, so some paste is a little more sweet, spicy, or salty. You can taste and adjust here and there a little bit to the taste that you like. When I have a chance, I will also show you how to make different types of curry paste from scratch. Right now, wait until the curry boils. Make sure it's bubbling before adding Thai eggplants. And we're gonna stir to give the eggplant some heat. Simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how crunchy or soft you want your eggplants. Then turn the heat off. And then we're gonna add the aromas from the Thai Basils, 15 gram or about 1 handful, and Kaffir Lime Leaves, bruise and rip them off by hand to break out the fragrance. Oh, at this point, it smells amazing. These herbs are the key to bring this meal to another level. Trust me, you'll love to have them. And then the sliced chilies on top for garnishing. Ready to serve. It's homemade, so add as much chicken as you want in the bowl. Pair up with the rice noodles with some hard-boiled eggs, fresh and pickled vegetables. Awesome. It's also very good with hot steamed rice. In that case, I would prefer the omelette. I hope you like this video. Leave this video a thumbs up, share this video to your loved ones, and if you try any of my recipes, you can share the pictures with us on Facebook page and Instagram, Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next recipe. Have an awesome day. Bye.